Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo into circle using the Canva Mobile. So in here, I've already on the Canva apps, and let's say I want to create a profile photo, but I'm going to make it circle. So what you need to do is just find the Instagram post size because it's square. Then here you can just add your photo into the canvas. So I'm going to just go to the uploads and find the photo. So for example, in here I'm going to choose this photos right here. Okay, now after you add the photo, how you can make it circle. So what you need to do here is just click on these elements at the bottom and then tap on this frame tab, frame category, and you'll see at the very first line there is the circle frame. Just tap on that. Okay, so now the frame is at the front, so you can click on the photo behind it and then here swipe through the options and then choose position and click on forward. So now the photo is in the front, and to fit the photo into the frame, you can just click on the photo in here and then just drag it. Also tap on the photo and drag it into, tap and hold and drag it into the frame just like this. So now the photo has cropped into circle, and if you want to resize it, you can just tap on it and then click on one of the corner, then just drag it or adjust it to how you like it. If you want to make it center, you can click on a photo, and here is the result. So now your photo has become circle. But if you want to fix the position, you can double click on the photo. Here you can swipe to the left or right to find the right position. Tap on done. So this will be the result. That's how you can crop photo into circle using the Canva Mobile. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, especially for those who are new to Canva Mobile. I hope you can enjoy this video. So don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button below if you like this video. And to support our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.